and welcome back to another cooking of Oma's Taste. Thank you so much for coming back. Today we'll be preparing oven baked chicken and potatoes. And to prepare this, we'll be needing 5 laps of chicken. To ensure that we enjoy our meal, we want to make sure that we wash and clean properly. I added salt to the hot water to wash and remove unwanted germs that are already there. So I'm going to wash them very well until they are properly cleaned. And yes, it is well cleaned. I'll go ahead and clean my kitchen sink. This is very important to get rid of the germs there. Wash and clean with hot water and soap. Some people use bleach, but I am not confident in using that, so I use soap. So make sure you wash and clean very well. Yes, the kitchen sink is well cleaned now. I'll go ahead and give marks to the chicken to ensure that the marinade get in well. So I'll go ahead and blend my marinade, and I will be using curry, salt, black pepper, paprika, thyme, chicken cubes and seasoning stock, soy sauce, oster sauce, onion powder, fresh onion, garlic and ginger, and lastly I'll add vegetable oil. You can make your choice when you are adding your fresh pepper or habanero pepper. Yeah, mine was not too pepperish. Yeah, because I wanted the kids to enjoy it. Left for me and my husband, I will add 3 pepper there. Yes, the marinade is ready. I am marinating the chicken laps now. Gently pour in the marinades and massage them very well. Make sure that they get in all the mark or through all the marks that I gave. I'm making sure that that is well done. Yeah, all of them are well done. I'll go ahead and clean the excess rub that are in the plate. Cover it with thin pepper. I did this overnight. I took it to the fridge. I'll go ahead now and prepare the vegetable. You can make chicken, oven grilled chicken without vegetable. You can, but I don't like to skip that. It's very important to add vegetable for the crunch and also the appetizer. You can give your carrots or your vegetable any style that you like. Remember, it's about making the meal so interesting, appetizing and well presented to your family. So this is the shape I'm giving the carrots. Yeah. The onion, I just cut them into 3 or 4. Yeah. And that is it. When you split them apart, this is the shape that they come with. Very interesting. So I cut off the edges or the head and the tail of the the peppers so that I can be able to achieve my desired style. And I'm going to cut them into 3 now, and this is how they came out. Yes, you can use this shape when you're preparing a fun chicken, oven grill, or yeah, any type of oven food we are making. So the next day, I went ahead and laid the vegetable as a base in my oven tray. I spread oil on it, added the cut potato or potatoes, spread them again because it's going to bake. They need to be moisturized with oil. So after that, I go ahead and lay the marinated chicken to the tray and take them to the oven. It baked for 1 hour and it was properly cooked. Thank you so much, my friends. Thank you so much, my subscriber, for always coming back. I so much appreciate all your love. Thank you so much. And for those who are passing, please stop passing. Come in. Don't watch and go. Subscribe if you like what you are watching. Please. Please. Yeah, so this is what I did. I spray oil again. The remaining vegetable there, I'll be using it after it baked for half hour. And that is it. It is fully baked. I'll go ahead and serve. Thank you so much for watching. I say again, thank you so much, my subscriber. And the passerby, please come in, subscribe, you will enjoy it. Thank you so much. And that was it for that day. We enjoyed our oven grilled chicken, potatoes and vegetable. I will see you in my next video. Please stay safe.